Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding a lightweight QR library to your HTML and creating a container element. This is faster than server round trips. Once done, write a small function that instantiates the library using your text string, because the library converts bytes into the matrix. Make sure to pass the target element ID and a short sample string to verify output. This immediate action confirms the pipeline, library, DOM container, and a creation call, so you see pixels right away and can iterate. Now configure the important options that control scan reliability and appearance. You set size, margin, foreground and background colors, plus error correction level to balance density versus recoverability. Choose high for logos. Once configured, handle encoding. Use UTF-8 for multilingual text or base 64 if embedding binary. Make sure to implement a clearEndRegenerate step when input changes, because updating the same container avoids memory leaks. Finally, test different sizes to see how density. Finish by exporting the rendered QR to a downloadable PNG. Draw the SVG into a canvas when needed, call to data URL, image/PNG, and attach that URL to an anchor with download. Once done, provide a clear file name and trigger a click to save. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Make sure foreground/background contrast is high, increase pixel size, lower error correction only if content is simple, and confirm encoding matches your payload. These checks fix the most common scan failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.